Welcome to the Daily Eco. Today we'll show you the essential care tips for Begonia Rex. Discover how to keep this spectacular plant thriving indoors. Let's get started. Why is Begonia Rex so special? Begonia Rex is a rhizomatous plant, meaning it has thick roots that grow horizontally. It usually reaches 30 to 45 centimeters in height and about 30 centimeters in diameter. Its main attraction lies in its large, asymmetrical leaves with spirals, waves, and colors ranging from deep green and silver gray to red and purple. Although its flowers are small and discreet, in shades of pink, white, or red, the foliage is what makes this plant the true showpiece for any home. The most popular varieties. Within the Begonia Rex group, we find unique colors and textures. Some of the most popular varieties are Red Begonia Rex, with deep, vibrant red leaves. Silver Begonia Rex, with bright, metallic green-silver tones. Dark Begonia Rex, with dramatic foliage in very dark, almost black shades. There are also hybrids with wavy edges or striking combinations of multiple colors. Where should you place it? Begonia Rex thrives best indoors or in shaded areas. It prefers bright, indirect light, like sunlight filtered through a curtain or a covered balcony. Avoid direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. It does best in warm temperatures, between 13 to 35 degrees Celsius. If it drops below 13 degrees Celsius in winter, the plant won't die, but will enter dormancy until conditions improve. Choosing the right pot. Select a clay or ceramic pot with good drainage holes. This prevents water from accumulating and damaging the roots. If you want to use a decorative cache pot, always keep the plant inside a draining nursery pot and place it inside the cover pot. Never plant it directly into a cache pot without drainage. Also, remember to empty any excess water a few minutes after watering. The ideal soil mix. Begonia Rex needs a rich, airy, and well-draining substrate. A great mix is 1 part peat, 1 part coconut fiber, 1 part worm castings, and a handful of perlite. Adding pine bark or vermiculite improves aeration and prevents excess water retention. Renew the soil every 1 to 2 years to keep your plant healthy. Fertilizing properly. During its active growth season, May to December, applying a liquid fertilizer rich in nitrogen every 2 or 3 weeks, but always diluted to half strength. In winter, do not fertilize, as the plant is resting. Watering needs. Water moderately and regularly, keeping the soil slightly moist but never waterlogged. In winter, reduce watering. Avoid wetting the leaves or the crown, since this can lead to fungal diseases. Simple pruning. Begonia Rex only needs the removal of wilted leaves and flowers throughout the year. Always use clean scissors to avoid infections. This encourages healthy growth and keeps the plant looking neat. Easy propagation. You can propagate Begonia Rex through cuttings in May or June. Cut a stem near a leaf, trim the leaf in half, and plant it in worm castings. Keep it moist and cover it with clear plastic to maintain humidity. Within a few weeks, roots will form and the cutting will be ready for transplanting. Another method is to divide mature plants during repotting, usually in spring. Common problems and solutions. Gray mold. Caused by excessive humidity and poor airflow. Remove affected leaves and improve ventilation. Powdery mildew. Appears as white dust on leaves. Control with fungicides and better air circulation. Root rot. Due to overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust watering and use a more suitable substrate. Pests. Weevils, mealybugs, slugs, and spider mites are the most common, especially outdoors. Prune damaged parts. Remove pests manually and use natural insecticides. Why is your begonia losing color? If the leaves look dull, the most common cause is insufficient indirect light. Other causes include overwatering, nutrient deficiencies, or low temperatures. Make sure it gets the right light, water, and fertilizer to maintain vibrant colors. And there you have it. By following these tips on light, watering, soil, and pruning, your Begonia Rex will remain healthy and beautiful for years to come. If you want to continue learning more about wild animals, don't miss the playlist we've left here. Will you be adding this striking plant to your home? See you next time, ecologists.